Ever wondered what it would be like to stay in the hillside of wine country? Well, now you have that chance. Welcome to Wander Sonoma Hills. I'm Frankie, taking you on a tour of this modern contemporary masterpiece with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a gym, a hot tub, and the most amazing valley views. This is the perfect home for relaxation and entertainment. This home has one of the most unique exteriors. The house is completely made of steel and it is surrounded by very lush green woods and natural beauty, giving you complete seclusion while still being very close to all that there is to do in the area. And one of the main focal points of the exterior here is this very unique metal art piece that you're gonna see when you first pull up to the house. This greets you right to the home, and I think it speaks to all that you're gonna see on the inside. Are you ready? Let's go take a look. Entering the house on the ground level here, you're already going to be greeted with just some of the quirky, interesting art pieces that fill this house, such as our neon sign up above here. You have a spiked chair in the center, and then my favorite in this space is the one-of-a-kind hand-painted Vespa. When I first came into this house, I could not take my eyes off of it. This is a true artist's home, and you're gonna feel like you're in your own personal art museum, which is just so cool. When you first come up the stairs here, you're gonna notice the grating on the floor, which is so beautiful and a great contrast. But ladies, be careful if you are wearing heels. And then next to that, we have our elevator here for accessibility if you need help getting in between the 2 levels. Now into our main space here, our living room is truly unique, and I could not say that word enough in this house. You have high ceilings with metal steel beams and floor-to-ceiling windows here with incredible views that bring in the most amazing natural light into the space. And now we have our couch that sits in the middle of the floor with seating all the way around it, which I think just warrants so much fun. It definitely gets you to spend quality time with your friends and family. And for entertainment, we have surround sound speakers with a television and some games you're gonna find in the cabinet below. Now off of the living room, you have your own private balcony on the top level where you have an incredible view of the tree line, the mountains, and the valley. This balcony is incredibly romantic and a great spot to catch a sunrise or a sunset with a glass of wine in hand. Now from our living room, we can walk right around into our chef's kitchen that is so spacious, modern, and sleek, with white countertops and white cabinetry that really make this kitchen so bright. And to enhance that even more, you have floor-to-ceiling windows in here as well that really just make it pop. And personally, I love that in a kitchen space. Now we have everything in here for you. We have an espresso machine, cookware, dishware, and glasses. You even have an outdoor grill around the corner here, so you can cook yourself a fabulous meal. But if you're looking for a break in cooking, you can contact our Wander Concierge to recommend the best private local chefs in the area to come here and cook a meal for you and your guests. Now, whenever you're ready to enjoy your fabulous meal, we actually have 2 bar stools in the kitchen area if it's more intimate, or you can dine at our very unique metal dining table that seats 8. Now behind the kitchen is the perfect spot to have a glass of Sonoma wine. We have the family spot back here with seating, a bookshelf, and an indoor fire pit. So you can sit right next to that and stay nice and warm during those chilly Sonoma nights or the winter months. Then wrapped around, you're gonna find a private office space with a very extremely high-tech workstation. This is perfect for all of you digital nomads, streamers, or if you just have some very important Zoom calls and work to take care of, this is the spot for you. Now on the other side of our main space, we have our primary bedroom that is so roomy and bright. You have vaulted ceilings in here, those exposed steel beams that we saw earlier in the living room. You have a king-size mattress, a walk-in closet, a wall-mounted entertainment system, and an in-suite bathroom. In every Wander bedroom, your comfort is our top priority. We want you to sleep better here than you do at home. So we make sure our mattresses use the latest in sleep technology so that you wake up fully refreshed and revitalized. You can personalize your own comfort from plush to firm depending on your taste so that you get the best night's sleep of your life. Additionally to that, we have wireless phone chargers next to every single one of the beds, so if you forgot to pack your own, there's no need to stress. Now we have our in-suite primary bathroom that is full of beautiful blue tones and tiles. That is a wonderful contrast against the white cabinetry on our double sink vanity here. And you have a walk-in shower that's completely adorned with those blue tiles that I think gives it such a wonderful Tuscan feel in here. In every Wander bathroom, you're gonna find very high-end amenities like shampoos, body washes, and conditioners that are all hand-picked items to ensure quality that will exceed your expectation. And you're also going to be able to wrap yourself up in the comfort of very plush towels, robes, and slippers that we provide. And I always look forward to wearing these Wander robes during every single stay. They are easily the highlight of my trip. As you're admiring this very chic home, you're going to notice the interior design and all of the art pieces you're going to see here, such as the grand foyer entrance where you have a large bronze metal piece that spans from the bottom to the top level here. These pieces are all hand-picked to reflect the location that the house is in. Since Sonoma Hills is known for its natural beauty and contemporary styles, all of the decor, pieces, and interior design reflect that, giving you a fully immersed vacation experience. Now downstairs, you're gonna find 3 additional bedrooms, 2 with queen-size beds, 1 with a king-size bed, all decorated individually, as well as 2 bathrooms for your use. And down here, you're gonna find the gym space with a Peloton, a rowing machine, weights, and all you're gonna need to stay on top of your workouts while staying here with us, as well as an attached kitchenette. One of the main benefits of staying at a Wander versus other vacation homes is the ultra-modern workstations found at every single property. And here at Sonoma Hills, we have 2 for your use. Each workstation has a Herman Miller Aeron chair, which has the best back support of all chairs, and an uplift sit-to-stand desk. You're also going to find the best Logitech Brio 4K camera so that you will look crystal clear in all your Zoom calls, and you won't even need a virtual background. Each station has a 38-inch extra-wide LG curved monitor so that you have plenty of space to complete all of your work. Now, the best thing about these workstations here is that all you have to do is plug one wire into your laptop here, and then it's all connected for you, doing all of the work and getting rid of any hassle. You can elevate your family vacation with Wander. We provide you with cribs, high chairs, and children's items in the kitchen, so those are just some things you don't have to worry about packing in your luggage when coming to stay with us. Now that is the interior of our space here, but here's a few other features that you should know about that will enhance your vacation. You have your own outdoor patio area that is truly your own little private oasis. You have a luxurious hot tub and a very relaxing sitting area. You're gonna feel like you're in the middle of a forest, which is just so incredible. So just imagine relaxing back here, sipping on a glass of Northern California wine, soaking in the warm waters of the hot tub, and enjoying the sunset over the valley. I mean, that is a magical Sonoma dream that we're gonna make come true for you right here. Are you feeling overwhelmed with what to do during your stay? Well, we can help you out. We have a travel guide you can watch next with a ton of recommendations on what to do, see, and eat within the area. But if you're looking for more specific help, our Wander Concierge team is here to help you out. Just simply text them at the number shown on the screen anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that life's special moments such as weddings and family gatherings are meant to be celebrated together. Our properties offer the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a dream wedding, an epic family reunion, a bachelor or bachelorette party, or any other special gathering, Wander allows you to create memories that are unforgettable. Head on over to wander.com/events to discover more on how to make your celebrations extraordinary. Well, thank you for joining me here at Wander Sonoma Hills. With our house tour complete, we're gonna go explore the surrounding area here because there is a ton to do, see, and drink. You can check out our travel guide next to learn all about it. We can't wait to welcome you here in California's wine country.